Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Power BI desktop version and secure admin rights. Once done, back up PBIX files and any workspace assets so you can revert if needed. Now close Power BI and stop background syncs. This prevents file locks. Then download the latest installer from your admin portal or Microsoft Store. Make sure to note the release number so you can validate the update later. Proceed to run the installer as administrator to start the upgrade. You should run the installer as administrator, choose update, and follow prompts. Pause only if the installer reports conflicts. While installing, review extensions and custom connectors for compatibility because incompatible components can break reports. Make sure data source drivers and odd connectors are current. Update them if the installer flags versions. Once installation finishes, open Power BI, validate workspace connections, refresh stored credentials, and reconfigure on-premises data gateway if needed. This keeps scheduled refreshes and finish by confirming the new version and running smoke tests. Open critical reports and execute a full dataset refresh to surface problems. If visuals or refreshes fail, check Power BI logs in your local app data path for error codes and revert to your backup PBIX if needed. Make sure gateways and credentials match production settings. If issues persist, reinstall or restore previous version and escalate to your admin. Finally, document the update steps and schedule a follow-up to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.